Well, I knew right away that she was abducted. I knew that right away, and that's what I told them from the beginning. But they have to go through their. Me and Candace know for a fact that Summer was abducted. We know that, but
If you Can you share with me why you know for a fact or how you know?
well, the reason that I know is because I know my wife, and I know what kind of emotions and the heartbreak that she's been going through, and the way everything happened when she called me.
Have police given you any information on that or anything pointing to that?
No.
That's unheard of.
Hawkins County Sheriff Ronnie Lawson says they have found no evidence Summer was abducted.
From their custody. It was 6 days ago that the Department of Children's Services first confirmed to News Channel 11 they were involved in the case of the missing girl who has now not been seen for 6 weeks.
I would hope that she is still alive somewhere, but we also have to be open to the idea that is no longer a possibility.
Go down for something. There will be charges.
According to the source, this is so much worse than people realize. As far as like the CPS, they will not be getting the boys back ever, 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 ever. It is not part of the parent reunification is not on the parent's service plan. Okay, so whatever was done or happened, I don't know specifics. That was not given to me. But whatever happened with the boys, they will never get the boys back. There's no option of that.
Else and all sorts of stuff.
Like, all three boys were physically abused by Dawn and Candace. They were kicked, punched, their hair was pulled, they were beaten with objects such as belts, shoes, and other items. In the last year, there has been a total of 7 abuse claims. So all these people saying that weren't there people that called in CPS and, made them aware? There were. And they both tested positive for crack cocaine, marijuana, and Dawn came back with meth.
They did not pass the lie detector. It was actually an inconclusive result because of taking excess amounts of benzodiazepines.
Lie detector test, they both did not pass. I say pass because they also didn't really fail, but they were non-conclusive on the guilty knowledge test. On the guilty knowledge test, it came back as non-conclusive. Well, guilty knowledge test means they basically know what happened to Summer. It's not conclusive, and that was because they were using some kind of medication or sedative to trick the investigator administering the test.